Hi, I'm Viet Anh. I'm Chancellor of EAS Vietnam International Higher Human Resource Institute. Over the courses of our more 2 decades history, we have proudly focused on creating education and training opportunities in leadership and administration with global standard IHHR G23 for students and citizens in Asia, Vietnam, and beyond. Our aim is to be a great international higher human resource institute of the 21st century. We will provide exceptional values to our students, guiding them to success through the personalized, flexible leadership and management relevant learning opportunities. The applied and translational research by our staffs and their students, as well as our graduates and employees and citizens, will enhance social and economic outcomes in our heartland. Healthier, smarter, and more sustainable community will result. In the 21st century, it is the most impossible to be the successful participant in the global knowledge, economic, or society without a tertiary education. A great institute in 21st century need to provide an offer to students that emphasizes and values diversity and inclusivity. EAS Vietnam IHHR Institute is your institute of opportunity and success. I do hope you find the information you are looking for on our website and perhaps even discover something new along the way. But if you have any questions or suggestions, please contact Institute Direct, as we are always willing to hear feedback. Thank you very much.